The Alta Rapid Test Reader RTR1 is an image analysis based, user friendly, qualitative and semi quantitative tabletop instrument designed for point of care needs. It is designed to measure and interpret lateral flow immunoassay results. The RTR1 features a 4-inch resistive touchscreen. The reader has a built-in 48 mm thermal printer for instant printing of the results, and on the right side there is one-dimensional barcode scanner for patient sample ID scanning and the cassette slot. On the left side there is two USB ports, LAN interface and power on switch. Switch on the instrument. Instrument will display Alta logo. Instrument will then display please wait while all the modules are getting loaded. When instrument finishes initialization, it will display the main screen which indicates instrument is ready to use. Select run test, then choose one of the three options. Choose the test if it is already listed out. Scan the required test from test chart so that it gets added up to the list, or manually add the test barcode number which is also included in the chart. By either scanning the barcode or manually selecting the appropriate test barcode number, the test will be automatically added to the test menu along with any other information necessary to run and interpret the test. Once the test has been added to the test list, it does not need to be added again. We also have edit test and delete test options. After selecting the required test, give run option. Then the screen will display two options, single test and batch testing. Single test will measure and give results for a single device. It will ask for patient and sample ID. After entering patient ID in single test, rapid test card should be inserted in the cassette slot with sample well inserted first. And after that, you have to select the option begin test. The analysis usually takes 5 to 7 seconds, and once completed, the result window will appear along with the picture of the test cassette which was just read. The user can save and print the result from the result window. In batch testing, the operator keeps inserting test cassettes one after another each time the screen displays enter next device. Once the batch is over, press finish button and then all the results of the test batch is listed out. By default, all the tests are qualitative, that is, the readout range is from 0 to 100, with 15 being the cutoff. Now click Database. All saved data is displayed in a table format in the database. The user can search, print, export and view the image of a test from the stored data. The reader allows user to store up to 1000 test results along with the test image data. Once the number of tests stored reaches 1000, the reader will automatically remove the excess result following the FIFO formula. The export option will transfer all the data stored in the database into CSV format to an attached USB memory stick. If the image option is selected, the reader displays the image of the test result stored in the database. Similarly, the delete option will delete the result from the database list. The delete all option will delete all results from the reader. The setting option in the main menu will allow the user to add or edit the laboratory information, operator's name, date and time, network setup and the instrument serial number. Under network setup, the user can find the IP address of the RTR1. The RTR1 only shows its IP address if it is connected to an active network. It can either be connected using an Ethernet port or Wi-Fi. The user can connect the RTR1 to any available Wi-Fi network by providing its SSID and password. Upon pressing the connect button, the RTR1 will reboot and connect to the network. Once the RTR1 is connected to the network, data can be retrieved from it using the Alta software from any computer. The option utilities in main menu are set during production, and it is recommended that the operator does not modify any of the parameters inside the utilities setting options. RTR1 gives precise reading, avoids human error in interpretation of weak positive, stores and recalls tested results with image, and adapts to all CTKs and Athenese rapid diagnostic test. For further queries, contact